Good morning, students. This is Mr. Pizzatitis from Salem classes. So, students, today we will discuss about book work, exercise, grammar, everything for the lesson number 1.1. Sorry, 1.2. Are you a vegetarian? Okay. So it will be 5 pages. So it is compulsory to see that because if you want to make only screenshot, so you cannot be gain properly. That is why, because there are some sentences are very long which I couldn't write, just I spoke. सो इसीलिए आपको ये देखना ही है पूर्ण रूप से, अन्यथा आप समझ नहीं पाएंगे. सो बिफोर एंटरिंग टू दिस वीडियो लेक्चर आई रिक्वेस्ट यू, इफ न्यूली यू आर वाचिंग, please subscribe this channel. At the same time, hit the bell icon also. Okay, let's begin. Choose the correct option to complete each sentence. Okay, number one, a vegetarian is a person who, there are two options, you have to choose option B, doesn't eat meat or fish. Number two, most Jains are vegetarian because of there are also two options. Okay, you have to choose option A, religious beliefs. Okay, comparatively less land is taken off in, okay, uh, the raising of livestock, the growing of vegetable. So you have to take care the growing of vegetables. In rich countries there are, okay, A and B, you have to choose B, more non-vegetarian than vegetarians. Okay, more non-vegetarian than vegetarians. To grow 1 kilometer of grain we need, B option is right, about 7,000 liters of water, about 7,000 liter of water. Then we would go to next page. So here you can see in this page there are 9 questions. Okay, there are 9 questions, and first of all, what is the requirement from nouns from the given words, given verbs, and use them in sentences of your own. First of all, we have to take this noun and we make them, sorry, there are verbs and we make them noun, then after we will make a sentence. So only changing from verb to noun done here, but the sentence is not written because the space is not enough. That is why you need to listen very clearly, and you write it on your notebook, either whatever you have. Number one, grow. Number one, grow. Okay, the noun of the grow is growth. Okay, children need nutritious food for their growth. So this is written here. Then know. Okay, know, noun of know is knowledge. The sentence is like this: little knowledge is dangerous. You can write little knowledge is dangerous. Agree. Okay, the noun of agree is agreement. Okay, the noun of agree is agreement. You can write they have broken their agreement. They have broken their agreement. Okay, invent, the noun of invent is invention. Okay, noun of invent is invention. So, invention is going on still now. You may write the sentence invention is going on still now. Advice or advice. Okay, you should obey. The noun of advice is advice. The pronouns are equal, but there is changing of spelling. Okay, you should obey advice of your parents. Okay, you write like this. You should obey advice of your parents. Let us go to next page. Okay, page number 15. Okay, so in this page, pollution. You can write pollution is very harmful for the environment. Noun of pollute is pollution. You can write pollution is very harmful for the environment. Digest and digestion. Okay, digest and digestion. Rakesh helps us for digestion. Rakesh help us for digestion. Okay, choose. Noun of choose is choice. You can write the sentence choice. You need to choose what you want. Okay, you need to choose what you want. It doesn't mean that what I am telling you right. If you can find any new sentence, you can write. But I made here from the verb to noun. Provide provision. Provide provision. Provision comes from God. You can make like this the sentence. Provision comes from God. Okay. Produce, production. Produce, production. Okay, you can see here milk production. Okay, milk production. So paneer is a milk production. Okay, now you can see it only, or either you can take the screenshot here. You see it. Okay, you see it, or you can take the screenshot and you match. Then after you can write in this site. So I just show you it. Okay, now we would go to next page. You may see here subject, verb, object, adverbial. Okay, we need to make in order to the sentence. Okay, the dog ate a bone. The dog is subject, at verb, a bone is object. Everybody hard worked. Okay, everybody worked hard. You may see that everybody subject, worked verb, and hard is adverbial. Okay, adverbial. So you can write इसके नीचे जहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट है वहाँ सब्जेक्ट लिखे, जो वर्ब कहता हूँ उसमें भी लिखे, और जो ऑब्जेक्ट कहता हूँ उसके नीचे ओ लिखे, और जिसको एडवर्बियल कहता हूँ उसके नीचे ए लिखे. द आंसर नोबडी नोस. नोबडी नोस द आंसर. नोबडी सब्जेक्ट, नोस वर्ब, the answer. It is object. A new address Mishra brought yesterday. Mishra brought yesterday a new address. Mishra subject, brought, okay, brought is verb, new address object, yesterday adverbial. The film all of us last night enjoyed. Hmm. All of us enjoyed the film last night. सॉरी, इसमें थोड़ा सा चेंज करना पड़ेगा. All of us enjoyed the film last night. Okay, all of us subject, enjoyed verb, okay, the film object, last night adverbial. Misha and Manu went to the supermarket. Misha and Manu subject, went verb, to supermarket adverbial. So according to this way you have to change it. Okay, there is a man, okay, there is a old man, okay, so standing by the bus stop. Who is standing by the bus stop? Okay, then second, who is holding with an umbrella? There is a dog, okay, there is a big dog, okay, running. So you can write here running out of the shop. Okay, it is running out of the shop. It is holding with a bone in its mouth. ओके, तो इस प्रकार से आप उसको चेंज करेंगे. नाउ यू कम टू already it is done, na? Yes, it is done. Okay, now we come to the last page. Okay, I am going home. Okay, I have finished my work. Okay, I went home. I went home. I had finished my work. So here you can see complete each sentence using the correct form of given verb, present perfect or past perfect. Either it can be present perfect or it can be past perfect. Second, he is not here. He has gone to home. Okay, he was not there. He had gone to home. Number 3, I don't know that woman. I have never seen her. Okay, I didn't know that woman. I had never seen her. Okay. Number 4, he has invited me and I am not going to the party. He had invited me and I did not go to the party. Number 5, Vicky is in a hospital. He has his arm. He has broken his arm. Vicky was in a hospital. He had broken his arm. Number 6. The teacher has left and the boys are making a noise. The teacher have lived, है ना. The teacher had lived and the boys were making a noise. So I think it is enough, and I hope you understood it. So then, okay, may God bless you. Have a good day.